Why we are demanding statehood based on 6 schedule under Article 2 and 3? Because it is the question of survival, the people of Tripura. If we are not getting that demand, the people of Tripura will be genocide in near future. Maybe our position become 0 point. This is why we are compelled to demand statehood Tripura land based on 6 schedule. If present government, BJP government, if they did not respond our demand, we should say, if you are not considering our demand as if we are going to be massacred, then here in Tripura, various political party, they apply the slow poisoning atom bomb to make us microscopic minority. This is why I appeal to the union government, if you are not considering you have everything power, atom bomb, various of weapons, you should apply first if you are not considering. But otherwise we have no option. But only the way of the option is Tripura land based on 6 schedule. Now unless we are fighting for getting the statehood Tripura land for the survival of Tripura. Movement will be slowly in the democracy way. We dislike the violence. We are follow the way of Mahatma Gandhi to get the statehood. Because without peace, we cannot able to fulfill our demand. Because in the people of Tripura, we are appeal to the people of Tripura. You should think for the Tripura how to survive in our own land. This is we are appeal to the people of Tripura, to the people of Indian, all Indian. We appeal all the Indian people to see our matter, to how to survive the people of Tripura.